Budgie breeder one with budgie breeding fun. Budgie breeder one with lots of budgie fun. Oh yeah, you got pictures too. Welcome back, Budgie breeder one here. So the reason why I haven't been posting on YouTube and Instagram was because I lost my SD card, but I found it now. So this video is things that you should know before buying a budgie or parakeet. So the first thing you should know is that if you see a fluffed budgie like this staining above the sear, then you should not buy it. Ocean, I don't really know what's wrong with Ocean. I really don't. But some days she's fine, some days she's like this. And the reason I think that she's fluffed up is because she's half English, which is normal for half English budgie's face to be fluffed up, but not the staining above the nostril part. I don't get that. And I don't get why her tail is bobbing. So if their tail is bobbing and they're fluffed up, do not buy the budgie or parakeet because it's sick. So yeah. Number 2 is males will chirp more than the females. All the chirping that you have heard before they just stopped was the males. See, he's starting back up. See, the males will chirp more than the females just because that's just how they are. They like to court the females. They like to kiss the females. They like to be known that they're in the cage and they're basically dominant or whatever. So males will chirp more than females. I will put my link, or I will put it in the eye above, on how to sex your parakeets. Then it's a little quiz to go with it, just in case you're stuck or whatever. And this is Rocket. He's chirping too. And the more birds you have, the more louder it's going to be. So if you have more than one bird, the more chirping you're going to hear because there's more than one bird. There is a way to minimize the chirping, and that will have to be another video. I'm just trying to make this one as quick as possible. So yeah, look at Sky. She's my little baby. The lighting is kind of horrible, but yeah, that's Sky. That's Cotton. Little Cotton. I like her. Right here is Dewey. Sorry about that, my camera turned off. But yeah, that was Dewey that was climbing on the cage. But yeah, and that's what I mean by males will chirp more than females, and that's just their jibber jabber. Like when they court, that's what they sound like. Dewey is up here. That's him. He's the rainbow. And right here is his girlfriend, which is Sherbert. And yeah, she's gonna end up flying out the cage. Which concludes me to my next thing that you should know. They do need to be out of their cage at least an hour a day, just so they can fly and get their exercise. She doesn't fly. But yeah, all of these I let out and they get their exercise. And you should also know that there's certain foods that they shouldn't eat. I'll also put that one in the description or the eye above to show you which foods they're not allowed to eat. And I don't know about the grasses. I just put like the foods that we eat, so you can watch that. Also, they need more than seed. So this is seed, their seed diet. I feed them that every day. They have some of this every day, and that's not healthy. I think the what's in there that has the preservatives and the bad stuff are the colored pellets. I think those are the ones that have preservatives. Like once upon a time, I was gonna take all of those out, but it's just gonna take a long time for me to sort all of those colored ones out. So I just left it in there. But I do feed them corn. Corn is good for them. They love it. They won't eat anything but corn. Ocean, when she was little, she used to eat lettuce, but she went to a different home, as you guys know, and she came back, and when I tried to offer it to her, she was scared, so she doesn't eat lettuce anymore. Another thing that's gonna happen is seed. So if you don't have a cover over this seed, then it's just gonna go everywhere. And when it goes everywhere, then you're gonna have to vacuum every day. So yeah. And another thing is dust. This is dust. The more birds you have, the more dust it's gonna be. And it's kind of scary because every time I take a cover or something and just move it, a whole bunch of dust just accumulates in the air, and I don't like that at all. So yeah, that is a health risk that you're taking too, because it can create allergens. So I'm going to end up getting me a, what's it called, an air purifier, so I can purify my air, because all of this dust is not healthy for me or the birds. But the birds can deal with it because it's theirs. But for me, I don't think I can handle all of that dust. That's why I got rid of them the last time, because my mom saw all the dust that was in my room accumulating, and it just wasn't healthy. So I am gonna have to get an air purifier to keep them in my room, or I'm gonna have to get them an aviary or something, because all the dust in my room cannot just be floating around, because I'm breathing it in and it's not healthy. But yeah, that's just about it that I am aware of. Oh, almost forgot. So let me do this one. This one will focus better, I know it will. So that is a cut of bone. Don't mind the poop on it, and don't mind the poopy, what's it called? The crate, something. But I did clean it, so I have to clean their purchase again, because Sky, she just sits on the swing all the time, and she just poops all on this. So I have to clean it like every 2 weeks or so, and it's time for another cleaning. So yeah, a cuddle bone is this right here. You can get it at Walmart. That's where I got mine. Oh, I'm talking all in the camera. I'm sorry, guys. So I got mine from Walmart, and it was $1.27, I believe. And what I do is I like to open the boxes now, because the last time I didn't open the box and I got an ugly cuddle bone, and it was broke up and it was just shredded. So I look at them now, and this was the biggest one, and I put it in here because I know that they're gonna eat it all up. So this was in here. This has been in here for 3 days, and this is what. Let me get this off. I don't like that. And this is how they ate it. They just shredded it all up. So yeah, a cuddle bone would be nice. You can never go wrong with getting a cuddle bone. It provides them calcium, and yeah. But yeah, that's about it that I'm aware of. Oh, and the mineral block that you saw up there, yeah, get that too. Oh, water should be clean. I can't talk. You should clean your water every day. That's basically what I'm saying. Clean your water every day, and if you don't want as much food, you can go outside and blow this. That's what I do. If you don't want so much food on your floor. You can minimize it, but it's still gonna be food on your floor unless you get a seed cover for your cage so the seeds won't fall off. But I don't have one, so I gotta vacuum every day. But yeah, you gotta love parakeets. So yeah, see you next time, and bye.